You don't want to miss this newly renovated 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in Lewistown. Features a new metal roof, fully wrapped and sided, and majority of windows have been replaced. There is also new flooring and paint throughout, making this home feel new again. The home features some accessibility options as well, with a ramp leading into the home as well as grab bars in the bathroom. Parking is available in the rear, allowing for main level entry. A full, unfinished basement gives you a blank slate to make it your own. Be sure to schedule your showing today, you don't want to miss this one.